Hey there! Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll always be the first to know about fresh, legit ways to make money online, no matter where you are in the world. And drop a comment below and let me know which country you're watching from. I love seeing our community grow, and your feedback helps me create videos tailored to your location and needs. All right, let's get real for a second. You want to earn some extra cash, but you don't want a boss breathing down your neck, strict schedules, or the hassle of commuting, right? You want something flexible, easy, and on your own terms. I totally get it. That's why today I'm breaking down how you can start making money online from literally anywhere, at any time, using Hive Micro. It's a free micro task platform that's perfect for beginners. No experience needed, no complicated setup. All you need is a device with internet access. Seriously, that's it. Whether you have a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, you're good to go. No fancy equipment, no expensive software, just what you already have at home or in your pocket. So, how does Hive Micro actually work? Let me break it down for you. Hive Micro pays you for completing super simple jobs online. These are called micro tasks, and they're designed to be quick and easy. Think things like media, person scrolling through micro task job list on laptop, young woman reading task options on smartphone, drawing a box around an object in a photo. Maybe you're helping train AI to recognize objects, categorizing what's happening in a scene, or transcribing audio into text. Sometimes you'll listen to short audio clips and type out what you hear, or sort images into different categories. Or you might be tracking the same object across frames in a video, which helps improve things like self-driving cars and video search tools. The best part? No special skills required. You can do all of this from your phone or tablet. Just download the Hive Micro app on Android or iOS, sign in, and you're ready to start earning. Here's how to get started in 4 super easy steps so you can start earning as soon as today. Step 1. Sign up. It's quick and free. Just enter your name and email or use your Facebook profile if you want to save time. No complicated forms, no waiting for approval. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Browse through a variety of available micro tasks. There's always something new popping up, so check back often to find tasks that interest you or fit your schedule. Step 3. Complete tasks. Once you unlock a job, you can work on those mini tasks whenever you have a few spare minutes, on your lunch break, while waiting for a friend, or just relaxing at home. You're in control of when and how much you work. Step 4. Get paid. Hive Micro pays out every single week, straight to your PayPal account. Prefer crypto? You can even get paid in Bitcoin if that's your thing. And the best part? Hive Micro is available worldwide. Whether you're in the city, the countryside, or traveling abroad, you can earn from anywhere. It's perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, digital nomads, or anyone looking to boost their income on their own schedule. So if you're looking to boost your income, want total freedom over when and where you work, and love the idea of earning from your phone, give Hive Micro a shot. It's flexible, beginner-friendly, and you can start right now. And remember, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your country, any questions you have, or share your own experiences with making money online. Your stories and questions help others in our community too. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend who could use some extra cash, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on those notifications so you never miss my latest tips, tricks, and side hustle secrets. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy earning and take care.